In this video, we'll write the Lewis structure for F2O2 dioxygen difluoride. So we count the valence electrons up. Fluorine has 7, and we have 2 fluorines, plus oxygen, 6. We have 2 oxygens, so that's 14 plus 12. We have 26 total valence electrons for F2O2. So we'll put the least electronegative elements in the center. In this case, oxygen is the least electronegative. So we'll put an oxygen here. Let's put one right here. And then let's put the fluorine there and there. And you can see that this dioxygen difluoride also has another name. It's called FOOF. That's because, well, it spells FOOF, but also when it explodes, and it's very explosive, it makes a FOOF noise, I suppose. So to do the Lewis structure, we have 26 valence electrons. Let's put 2 between atoms to form the chemical bonds. We've used 6 valence electrons. We have 20 more. Let's put those around the outside atoms so they have octets. So we have 2 here. That gives this fluorine 8. It has an octet. We'll do the other fluorine. So we'll put the remaining valence electrons on these interior atoms here to see if we can fill their octets. We'll put 2 here. And at this point, we've used all 26 valence electrons, and each of the elements here has 8 valence electrons around it, has an octet. So this is the Lewis structure for F2O2, the FOOF molecule. You could also write it like this here to get an idea of kind of the structural formula here. And that means this one's going back this way and this one's coming out. That's one way you could do it. You could also, if you want to look at a space filling model, you could look at it like that. And the oxygens, those are the red, and the yellow-green here, those are the fluorines. Either way, this is the Lewis structure, and this is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.